Hi everyone, my name is Chenny from Goldfinger Holdings. I am the product manager of TestRay app inside Jira. Welcome to today's micro webinar. Today, I'm going to talk about how to restructure your test cases inside Test Suite. First of all, let me launch my demo project here, TestRay demo, and then from left side to launch TestRay homepage, that is test suites page, from where you can manage all your test cases. So first of all, let me launch one of my test case repository named as flight reservation system, and let me expand all to show the full structure of my test cases. You see in my screen, I have different levels of subsuite, and then at the bottom, there are different numbers of test cases linked. So to restructure your test case, actually, we give you two options. One is that you can drag and drop to reorder or to relocate your test case inside this test suite. It is quite simple, but it is only for a single test case. For example, here, let me drag one more, 764 to valid card owner subfolder. You see, the drag is down and the number tag has been changed. This is quite useful for a single test case reorder. And if you want to do like a multi test case, I mean, you want to move multi test cases from other places, you can simply select multi test cases like this way, and then go to top right corner. We have move or copy operations. Click on that. You can choose either from the same test suite or from a different suite like this way. See, first of all, let me just copy some of them to this test case repository. Okay, I want to put them to login, and then I'm using copy option this time. Once it is down, let me go back to my home page and then test case repository. Launch my login. You see here, there are two test cases moved or copied from the source test suite. To clean the data, let me delete them from this test suite. And then go back to my source test suite again to show how we can move test cases inside same test suite, but other location, a different location. Okay, this time I want to choose test cases from search flights. Let's see, there are one. And from search by date, there's another one. And then go to here, move or copy. I want to move them to like purchase ticket. Just go directly to this subsuite and then click on move. You see, once move is down, you see in the target, the number tag has been updated to 7. Means there are 2 of them moved to new location. So beside this one, you also can move a folder or subsuite to other places. For example, here for search flights, I have subsuite and then test cases. Now, if I want to reorder to put this subsuite to other location, I can simply go this 3 dot and move or copy. Here, I want to move search flies with 2 test cases. Definitely, it will contain subs here, and then move or copy. Then here, I can choose like, okay, I want to put these search flies to test case with parameters. I can simply choose test case with parameters as target and then move it. Now you see the structure has been updated. And then let's expand all. You see I have restructured of my test cases. The structure has been changed. You see, search flies is inside test case with parameters. So, but one thing you have to know that inside the same test suite, I mean, from the root level, test case must be unique. It means when you use this option, move or copy, if you are going to do this operation inside the same root level subsuite, you can only do move, you cannot copy. The reason behind it is that copy means you copy the same set of test cases to a different location. That is not allowed because test case must be unique inside the same root level test suite. But if you want to copy them to other places, then you can do that. Do the copy instead of move. Let's do it now. I have chosen 2 test cases. Okay, this time I just put them to Gmail test case repository. So I can use either move or copy. Move means it will be deleted from source suite and then put them into the target. Copy means we will keep this inside the source, but we will copy the same set of test cases to new location. Means the same test case will be displayed in 2 different locations. Let me finish the copy. Okay, copy is down, and then let me open my test case to check whether this test case has been linked to 2 different test suite or not. Go to other tab. You see here, inside the TD project, the same test case is located in 2 different locations because I did the copy. So it will remain in the source and also it will be displayed in the target. If you click on this hyperlink, it will launch the test suite from where the test case is located. You see here, this is the test case location inside this Gmail test case repository. So why we need such kind of operations to restructure our test cases? We need execute our test case in a certain order, right? Let me just show it quickly here. First of all, let me create a test plan like regression test plan and create. Open this test plan. Let's just leave other fields as blank. And then add it to pick up my test cases from my test case repository. From here, now you can see the updated structure will be reflected here. Select test case, and here you see flight reservation system. And it will give you, you see, the sub-suite purchase ticket, test case with parameters. Those are updated test case structure. Now let me just choose all of them and OK. So actually, this is the steps to choose test cases from test case repository. And then let me just start and check the execution window. You see here on the right side, flight reservation system. So let's just make a quick comparison here. You see, I have flight reservation system, purchase ticket, to direct members, and then subsuite, and then other test case members. So you see here, purchase ticket, there are 2 test cases, and then subsuite, and the rest of test cases. Test cases we restructure here. The structure will be reflected here as well in order to make sure that the test case can be executed in a certain order from top to the bottom. It's pretty much for today's webinar. If you have any question or you are interested in our product, feel free to reach out to us at sales@gofingerholdings.com.